So Realme launched its two smartphones in India, Realme 12 Pro and Realme 12 Pro Plus. So let's tell you about the Realme 12 Pro Plus. It's a 5G smartphone, and as you can see, the display is pretty narrow. 6.7 Full HD display is what you get, 120Hz with curved AMOLED screen. The bezels are very narrow, so everything on the display looks very fascinating. It comes with 2160Hz PWM dimming quality with Pro XDR display. Talking about the processor, well, it has Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 SoC and comes with 3D VC cooling system. Cameras, 50 megapixel rear camera with Sony IMX890 lens, 64 megapixel OmniVision OV 64B periscope telephoto, and 3x optical zoom, 6x in-sensor zoom, and 120x of super zoom. Now the camera is 8 megapixel, which is an ultra wide, and the front camera is 32 megapixel. Let me tell you about the design. It's a luxury watch designer, Oliver Savio's design. The module that you see at the back is actually a resemblance with the bezel of some watch. That is a designer one. So in terms of design, very beautiful smartphone and very good in colors. It has 5000 mAh battery with 67 watt of super fast super walk charging. Comes in three variants, 8GB 128 will cost you 29,999, 8GB 256 आपको cost करेगा 31,999 and 12GB 256 आपको cost करेगा 33,999. So that's about the Realme 12 Pro 5G. We'll tell you more on the 12 Pro tomorrow. Stay tuned.